If you want to keep your pergola looking great and avoid those annoying termites or pests ruining your outdoor hangout spot, you gotta act smart about protecting the wood. So, first off, treat your pergola posts with a good insecticide or wood preservative right after you build it. Like seriously, don't wait until you spot bugs munching away. Using pest-resistant materials like cedar or redwood can also save you a lot of headaches down the line because these woods naturally repel termites and other critters. Make sure the posts aren't touching the ground directly. To use concrete footings or metal post anchors to keep bugs from sneaking up from below. Regularly check for any signs of damage or soft spots in the wood, which could mean termites are already having a feast. If you see any suspicious holes or sawdust, hit it immediately with a pest control spray or call a pro before things get out of hand. Cleaning around your pergola matters too. Keep leaves, mulch, and moisture away since those are like bug magnets. Sealing or painting the wood every couple of years adds an extra layer of protection and keeps moisture from weakening your structure. Lastly, don't ignore cracks or splits in the wood because those little spaces are perfect hideouts for pests. One of the biggest mistakes people make with pergola posts attracting termites is skipping the initial wood treatment, which lets bugs move in fast. Fix this by always applying a strong insecticide before installation. Another common problem is using regular wood that is super vulnerable to pests and weather damage. Swapping that for pest-resistant woods like cedar can save a ton of money and stress. Also, many forget to keep the posts off the ground or clean around them, which basically invites termites right up to your pergola. Using raised footings and maintaining clean surroundings can shut that down quick. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for homeowners trying to find reliable local contractors who really know their stuff and won't leave you hanging. Plus, it's a solid platform for contractors looking to connect with folks who need quality work done without all the hassle.